Hello everyone, Namaste. I am Munna Kahar, teacher of Joint School Family, and I am continuing your class 8 science subject. Okay, so we are doing our lesson 4 pressure chapter. Okay, so today we are going to start our new term, that is your density. Okay, so what does this density mean? Okay, so density is defined as the ratio of mass to the volume. Okay, it is simply a ratio of mass to the volume. Okay, so density we can say that mass upon volume. So we can see this formula, mass upon volume means in 1 cubic meter. Okay, I am talking in SI unit. If in 1 cubic meter, what is the volume of that substance? Okay, in 1 cubic meter, what is the mass of that substance is called the density. Okay, please listen it carefully. In 1 cubic meter of volume, okay, what is the mass of that substance? Okay, we can say that is the density. Okay, and it is the mass per unit volume of a substance. Okay, what is it? It is the mass per unit volume of a substance. So we can say that density is the ratio of mass to the volume. Okay, or we can say simply mass per unit volume. Mass per unit volume is in one, if the volume is 1, okay, 1 cubic meter, okay, what is the mass of that substance? That is termed as density. Okay, so if the mass is measured in kg, okay, if the mass is measured in kg and volume in cubic meter, so what will be the unit? So it will be kg per cubic meter. Okay, in SI system. Okay, this is your kg per cubic meter. But if mass is measured in gram, okay, and volume is measured in cubic centimeter, then what will be its volume? In this is in CGS system. Okay, this is your CGS system. In CGS system, it is your gram per cubic centimeter. Okay, so now let's know some more terms here. Okay, so the lightness or the heaviness of a different substance are explained with the help of density. Okay, so what is the lightness of a substance? Okay, how light is the substance or how heavier is the substance? It depends upon the density of that substance. Is it clear? It's very simple. Okay, the lightness or the heaviness of a substance depends on the density of that particular substance. Okay, similarly density of substance does not depend on size and shape of the substance. Okay, it do not depend upon the size and the shape. Okay, density does not depend. Similarly, we can say the density as the compactness of an object. Okay, or we can also define density as the compactness of an object. Okay, so compactness of an object is called density. More is the compactness, more will be the density. Less will be the compactness, less will be the density. Okay, so we can also define density as the compactness of a substance or object. So for example, we see here, okay, iron is heavier than wood. Okay, iron is heavier than wood as the density of iron is more than the density of wood. Okay, so iron is heavier than wood as the density of iron is more than the density of wood. Okay, the substance whose density is more, okay, will be heavier than the object whose density is less. Okay, so I hope the term density is clear to you. Okay, so simply density is the ratio of mass to the volume. Okay, mass to the volume. We can also define density as the compactness of an object. Okay, more is the density, more will be the weight. Okay, similarly its unit, if the density, okay, density, as we know, density is your mass upon volume. If the density is measured, okay, if the mass is measured in kg, kilogram, and volume is measured in cubic meter, then its unit will be kg per cubic meter. Okay, and if in CGS system, if the mass is measured in gram, and volume is measured in cubic centimeter, then its unit will be gram per cubic centimeter. Okay, so let's do one numerical based on density. Okay, it will be more clear for you. Let's do one easy numerical from your book. Okay, so numerical 1 question is, a block of iron has mass 16,000 kg, okay, and volume 2 cubic meter. What is the density of iron? So this is the simple question. Okay, what is given to us? A block of iron has mass 16,000. Okay, so mass is given to us. Okay, how much? 16,000 kg. Okay, and its volume is given to us. What is given? Volume. Volume is given to us 2 cubic meter. Now the question is asking density. So we have what we have? We have the formula. Just we have done. Density is equal to, what is the formula? Yes, please. Mass upon volume. Okay. So your mass is 16,000 kg. Okay, and your volume is 2 cubic meter. Okay, so now let's cancel here. How much you will get? 8,000. Okay, so 16,000 divided by 2 is your 8,000 kg per cubic meter. Okay, this kg, this divide sign will come as, okay, and cubic meter. So we got the answer as the density of that iron is your, iron used here is your 8,000 kg per meter cube. Okay, I hope you have understood this, the term, okay, density, and you also have understood this numerical problem. Okay, so thank you for today. Thank you everyone.